Hey there you guys, I'm Mix here. So today I'm going to show you what happens when I try to power up these broken birds. With that being said, let's do this. Alright, so right now I'm going to power up my Ishin Falcon 180 and we're going to see what happens when I try to power it up. Okay, it's blinking like crazy. She's blinking like crazy. Si desea saber si es elegible, es fácil. Llame ahora para hablar con nosotros. Medicaid le brinda beneficios y Medicare también le ofrece algunos. So what I noticed, the ECS is blinking like crazy. I mean, the flight controller is blinking right there. Let's see. I'm trying to give it throttle. Nothing. I'm flicking some switches. Nothing as well. Turning this knob here. Still blinking like crazy. Still blinking like crazy. Flicking other switches here, nothing. Up throttle, nothing. The blinking stopped. Up throttle, nothing. Trying to arm it somehow. If this is nothing. Like I said, this drone never flown for me since I got it. So up throttle, nothing. Oh shit. I just broke a prop, which is okay, but that was creepy. When I did this right here, it flipped over. That was creepy. Oh, and I got caught. Nice, look. Crap. Okay, that kind of got my heart going. I don't know what just happened there. Yeah, it's a bloodbath. Kind of got cut. Yeah, the motor's just turned on, but I don't know if you guys were able to notice. Only 2 of them were spinning. I don't know what happened there. Then they got caught with a bag. Yeah, moving on. Look what happened to my hand. Yeah, let's move on from this crazy drone.
Yeah, I have no idea how I used to do this. I just know that I used to do something like this. Then that light just turned solid green. I don't know why there's like a blue blinky light there. Let me try something else. Leave that on. Disconnect.
Pensar que una infección vaginal es lo mismo que una diferenciación sexual es lo más viejo. Lo más nuevo es la Licam Wonder, la nueva perla vaginal que ayuda a una infección con un día de tratamiento. La Licam reunió la máxima concentración del activo más recomendado por ginecólogos en su nueva perla vaginal para aliviar los síntomas con un día. No hay nada más rápido y más conveniente para sentirse cómodo y segura que la perla vaginal del nuevo Licam Wonder. En las niñas que se cuidan bien.
So yeah, I don't really remember how to do this. This is not cool. I really don't remember how I used to do this, but I used to fly this drone. But it's just been a while since I was able to, and now I forgot. Since this here motor, or ECS, whatever, got messed up. But I really don't remember how to. Like, I remember this used to turn solid green, and it's not turning. There's a blinking blue light now. Sorry about that. I'm just trying to arm it, and I don't remember how to. Oh, solid green light. Oh, okay. I found a way. I found a way. I found a way. It's alright. This drone. You hear it? These motors fuel up perfectly fine, but it's this one, the one that's broken. As you can see, I found a way. See? This motor works, but this is the one that's messed up back there. Is that as soon as you don't use them for a while. Oh. Alright. The motor is trying to spin. Watch, look. Look. Let me separate it from everything. I have my finger right here. Then see, the motor's trying to spin, but it's not spinning up fully. So I guess it's less broken than I thought, because it's trying to spin. Look at it. But this one's not moving at all. It's like moving very slowly. So yeah, I don't know what could I do here. I guess the ECS is breaking, or I don't know. But I got cut pretty bad. See, it stopped spinning now. So the problem could be anything from the motor to the ECS itself. So I try to power up my Ishin Falcon 180 again, and all the motors are spinning full blast. Thank God I removed the props because I don't want to get cut again. So yeah, they're spinning full blast. Alright, so I just put on the battery and the motors was moving full blast. I went like this and the motor stops. Now I don't know how to engage it. Oh, okay, I moved that down. Now how do I kill the motors? Oh. I think this drone could possibly work. Let's try again. So that's one less broken bird, I guess. So what I'm doing, I guess I figured out how to engage this bird. Basically, I go like this. And then, but then how will say if I want to shut it off like this? How am I able to do that? Like, I'm gonna have to do like this to kill the motors all the time. And it doesn't kill the motors right away. Oh, yes it does. I'm kind of more used to using the switches. But I think I will be able to fly this drone. Let's see what happens if I do it again. So, engage it. I have to switch that. So basically, this is how you engage it. And then, this is how you turn it off. I'm gonna have to switch that to this type thing. So I guess this is not broken. Like I said before, I did not know how to put on the props, which I do know how to do now. So this might be able to fly. But I have to figure out the controller configuration, because you engage it, you arm it like this, then you just arm it like that. That's kind of off there. So that's one motor this is one drone that works. Alright, I'm gonna pause this right. Alright, so as you guys just saw, I was able to arm it and then disarm it. But I feel that I have to switch these functions to one of these switches here. So I need help doing that. Let's move this to the side. Okay. And then I showed you that this motor here, it tries to spin, but it's not able to. Which kind of sucks. So basically, this still has a motor problem, and this still has a motor problem. Over here, I think the issue is as I've been told, is the ECS, maybe not the motor. So maybe the motor still works, but the ECS here is busted. If you see that little black thing right there, that's smushed. Yeah. With that being said, it's been Mumia Migs signing out. I really need help fixing these drones.